Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll be showing you how to fix Telegram call problems. If you're experiencing issues with Telegram calls, don't worry. We'll walk through the solutions step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tutorials. Step 1. Ensure that Telegram has the necessary app permissions enabled for making calls. Go to your device's settings, find the Telegram app, and check the permissions. Make sure the app has access to the microphone, contacts, and any other relevant permissions. Without these, Telegram won't be able to handle calls properly. Step 2. Disable Data Saver in Telegram settings. Open Telegram, go to the app settings, and look for the Data and Storage section. If Data Saver is enabled, it might restrict the app's ability to make or receive calls. Turn it off and try making a call again. Step 3. Check if your friend has removed or blocked you. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Ask your friend to verify their settings and ensure they haven't unintentionally removed or blocked you on Telegram. Step 4. Remove any unauthorized apps and plugins that might interfere with Telegram's call functionality. Some third-party apps or plugins can conflict with Telegram. Uninstall any such apps, restart your device, and try making a call. Step 5. Clear the cache data of Telegram. Cache data can sometimes cause glitches. To clear it, open Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and find the option to clear the cache. This won't delete your chats or important data, but it will free up space and potentially fix call-related issues. Step 6. Update Telegram to the latest version available. Open your device's app store, search for Telegram, and check if an update is available. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, which might resolve your calling issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Telegram call problems and enjoy seamless communication. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.